how to make and create Wix website. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Google and search for Wix. Click on the first option. Now go here. This is the home page of Wix. Click get started. And now click continue with Google or just sign up with new informations. For example, I already have a Google account, so I'm gonna connect with it. Now, as you can see, after you click connect with Google or Facebook, now click get started. And now, as you can see, what kind of website are you creating? I'm gonna, for example, choose, let's say, blog. Now I'm gonna choose a business blog. Click next. Now I'm gonna choose the name of the website. Let's name it How to Media. Click next. As you can see, what are your goals for this website? For example, share knowledge. Click next. And now, as you can see, you can choose what do you want to add to your website and choose one of these. Let's choose, for example, groups or we have many options here. So I'm gonna choose, for example, let's say groups, and click next. And yeah, as you can see, now as you can see, have you created a website before? I'm gonna choose this is my first time. So now click start now, and here you go. It will take you directly to this page. Now as you can see, I'm gonna click skip here and click next. Now my website is gonna be ready. I'm gonna choose, for example, this theme or this one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this and click continue. Now wait a few seconds and your website will be ready. Now I'm gonna choose pick your favorite homepage design. We have some options here. Let's choose, for example, this one. Now as you can see, I think our website is ready. Okay, add pages to your website. Let's add about and the contact page. Now everything is ready. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna click skip. And yeah, our website now is ready. As you can see, now it's easy to edit and change everything you want from here. After you finish, click publish and your website will be published as on the internet. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.